how long he waited. How long he waited. When he was 40 years old, he saw that. He went as a spy. 40 సంవత్సరాలు అప్పుడు స్పైగా వెళ్ళాడు. When he was 40 years old, he went as a spy. Now Caleb was 85 years old. 85. So how many years? How many years he waited? 45 years. Right? Now he is 85 years old and he came and he was talking to Moses at 85 years old. Now he's an old man already. But you know what he's telling? He came to Joshua and said, do you remember what Moses said? Moses, he spoke, see, you know what the Lord said to Moses. He was talking to Joshua. You know what the Lord said to Moses, the man of God in Kadesh Barnea, concerning you and me. I was 40 years old when Moses, the servant of the Lord, sent me from Kadesh Barnea to spy out the land. And I brought him word again as it was in my heart. But my brothers who went up with me made the heart of the people melt. Yet I wholly followed the Lord my God. And Moses swore on that day, saying, surely the land on which your foot has trodden shall be an inheritance for you and your children forever, because you have wholly followed my God. Hallelujah. Caleb, God saw your heart. And not only that, not only you alone will possess the land. It's for you and your children and your descendants. What is the, you know why? Because you have fully, wholeheartedly followed me. Hallelujah. Your obedience provokes God's blessings upon your life. God has a plan for all of them. God wanted all of them to go and possess the promised land, but their disobedience provoked God's judgment. They said, you did not trust me. You did not obey it fully. That's why you're not going into the promised land. Until everybody of that generation died, God waited. It took 40 years for God to wait. God did not wipe them off immediately. But because of their stubbornness, God waited. God waited. 40 years God waited. Many times, you know, we have great promises on our head, but not able to possess because of lack of obedience, because of lack of faith, because of lack of wholeheartedness in following God fully. Today, God is asking us, check your heart. Check your heart. Hallelujah. Are you following God wholeheartedly? Hallelujah. Here God said, I will give you. That means even if there are giants there, they are not going to be victorious over you. You're going to defeat them. Even if మీ ఇంట్లో కుక్క కూడా ఆ giants ని జయిస్తుంది అని చెప్పాడు దేవుడు. Hallelujah. Even a dog in your house will overcome the enemy. You overcome the enemy that is stronger than, that is powerful than you. That is the blessing. When you are blessed indeed.